G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic lifestyle home. Unit number 1 at 415 to 417 Boat Harbour Drive in the popular bayside suburbs of Torquay. There is a bit to see. Let's go and take a look around. Those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels will appreciate the convenience that comes with being able to simply lock up and leave whenever you like. This great villa is positioned in the lifestyle community at Fraser Pacific Estate with resort amenities which include a pool, tennis courts, and it comes with reasonable body corporate rates. You have public transport at your doorstep and you're only minutes away from key amenities which include shopping centres, medical centres, hospitals, cafe, restaurant, the esplanade and the beach. This lovely cottage style villa has been recently repainted throughout both inside and out and features a large north facing outdoor entertaining deck to the front where you'll be able to enjoy your morning cuppa with the rising sun and a cool beverage with the last rays of light while watching the world go by. You will immediately notice the high vaulted timber ceilings across the open plan dining and living area, which assist in keeping this home cool over the warmer summer months. The aspect of this home also captures the prevailing sea breezes. The kitchen includes plenty of bench and storage space and features an electric hot plate with range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and refurbished ensuite. The bathroom has also been refurbished and includes a bath, shower and vanity. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. This villa also includes a detached secure double garage and private exclusive use yard to the rear. Homes rarely become available in this complex and they're always in high demand. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.